Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool original style Mickey Mouse telephone. This is Cameron's equipment from Louisiana, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool telephone. And all that was shipped was the base and handset. That's all we really need. We don't need the upper portion of Mickey, so it makes it easier to ship. Now we have a note with this unit, and we know that this telephone does not dial out properly, so we want to troubleshoot the keypad. We're also going to go through the network. We need to make sure that all the connections are proper and that they're tight. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We're going to get a start on this unit. We'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair of this really cool original style Mickey Mouse telephone, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, we also want to mention that the keypad was replaced. And so we'll set that to the side. It is of no use to us. And we also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. And I have an amplifier back by the video. It has a button on it. When I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any kind of static interference or noise in the atmosphere. And I'm going to go ahead and press the button. You may hear a little bit of an electrical hum. I'll release it, press it one more time, and release it. So if you hear any noise during the final checkout, it will be coming from the amplifier, but it is pretty quiet today. Now what we can do is use the analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call. So we'll start that. We'll let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. We want to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this unit is ringing in on a ring cycle, we're dialing out, we have transmit and receive. We can push this button on the switch box. That gives us a line out, totally takes the analyzer out of the situation, and we can call a time and temp number. Go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call.
The time and temperature is coming up after this. To hear the time and temperature, just stay on the line. Today is Monday, January 1st. The current time, 6:58 p.m. and the temperature, 9 degrees.
We can hang up. We'll give you some dial tone. We'll call my number and it'll be busy. We'll make that call. We'll go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this really cool original style Mickey Mouse telephone has been repaired, we can return it to Cameron and he can enjoy this Mickey Mouse telephone once again. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.